Hello, my lovelies. Welcome to Amanda's Crafty Corner. I am Amanda, and this is my Crafty Corner. Today, I have my PR package from VIP Cross Stitch. If all of you remember, I did that hour-long video where I had 17 of them from VIP Cross Stitch. So, VIP Cross Stitch is, as it says in its name, has everything to do with cross stitch. They have basically your needles, your accessories for cross stitch, uh, whatever you'd like from cross stitch. I don't even know what to say anymore because I just did an unboxing for them on Friday. But because this is my PR package from them, I did pick three. One is a Joy Sunday, so I'll do that one first. So it is a 14 count. It's a 19 by 28 centimeters. It's called Three Birds, but they're chickadees. They're actually really common here where I live. Chickadees, sparrows, cardinals, all of the birds that you can think of. I've even had like a few blue jays in my backyard once. They're really, really pretty. So standard with Joy Sunday is on the back sheet. They have your how-tos and what type of stitches you'll be using. Yeah, so I already can tell there's a lot of back stitching, mostly with the birds and the flowers. So I'll show you here. Here, put that there. So it has full stitch, 29 colors. In total, there are 30 colors, one of which is for the French knots, and I'm assuming the French knots are for the flowers or the birds, but we'll see that in a moment. Yes, so there are 30 colors in total, 29 for full stitch, one in a French knot, and 5 in backstitch. So it's one page. Here we go. So the French knot, yeah, it's all on the flowers, the French knot. So it's one page. Again, you will never follow, not never, sorry. For your actual full stitch, you will not follow this paper. The symbols on your paper and the symbols on your canvas are totally different. You would follow this paper for your back stitch and a couple of your French knots, just in case, it covers it. So, like I said, it's a tiny little stitch. So you have your code with the Joy Sunday. It's actually a really nice border. So it's actually a super nice border. So again, all of your full stitch, French knot, and your back stitch. I know with the new Joy Sundays, they no longer do the lines. So you see the birds, there's no lines on them. And the reason for that is because you cover them anyways once you're getting into your stitch. There's not there's barely any confetti. There's maybe like one or two, but for the most part, like the green is all block stitch. Lots of block stitching, and there's not really much jumping. The purple that you see are the French knots. Yeah, those purple dots you see are the French knots. And I know some people, I don't have seed beads. Maybe I'll get them so I don't have to do the French knots because I know some people don't like them. I personally haven't done them yet, mostly because I'm working on 11 counts that don't require any back stitching or French knots, except for my lanterns, which is all back stitching. But I'll get there. I promise I'll get there. And if you'd like to see how I do it, I can definitely do it on camera one day. But yeah, that's it. That's that. It's the same size as basically my lanterns, and I love it. I actually love this size. I won't lie. It's a nice, cute size. Also standard is the 2 needles, but I prefer the DMC 24 needles. And then here's the colors 1, 2, 15. My nice browns, purples. There's your 310. And then on this side, we have 16 to 30, which is a lot of pinks, dark grays, and then, of course, your 5200, which is like your white. So very, very pretty. I actually do love This, I mean, I picked it out, but you know. Sorry, it was flying away from me. I'm just gonna quickly put this away. I will post the links to 2 out of 3 canvases. One of the canvases is actually discontinued that I had chosen, and I didn't know that till I clicked the link and I asked them. So I have this lovely, sorry, it's the crinkle. I have this lovely fairy girl, fairy on a moon. It's a bit of a blurry image, sorry. So standard with this company is your image, and it's on a really tiny piece of paper, but your instructions with all your stitches. So teeny tiny, a little bit of confetti, but not a lot. Most of it's like, if you look, it's one, and then the rest are all kind of like, you can, yeah, well, you can see it. It's actually really nice. They did fold it while it was wet, but mostly like here. It's not really that ruined. And it is 25 colors, which for this size isn't that bad. It's 104 by 104. Does it have the size? No. I forgot to say how many stitches this one had. Let me grab it. So it was 19 by 28. Did it even say? Oh, sorry. Yes, it did say. For this one, it is, when I can read it, 80 wide by 112 high. So there we go. I'll get back to this one now. Sorry about that. Say that as I can't close my Joy Sunday. So here is my Ada. It searched for our convenience. Again, it's pretty small. It's 104 by 104. Where did I put my ruler? Anyways, it's pretty small. That's okay. I don't mind it. 25 colors for a small image, and most of like the detail is mostly in the fairy and the moon anyways. So, yeah. I think it's cute. And then, so this is something new that this company is doing. Just gonna put you away in here. Oh, yes. Sorry. Also, your 5 needles, thimble, needle threader. I have so many of these now. And it is a koi fish. Toss that there. As I was saying, so with this company, they're doing something new. They are putting these in individual cards. So I can't really spread everything out. But yeah, everything is on individual cards with the DMC code. So it's a lot of dark colors with a few lighter ones. I'll try to, there you go. It's pretty to me. I actually like these. They're different. I mean, you can probably add more to them after you're done if you have any leftovers from anything else instead of using the bobbins. Depends on how you like to organize things. I'm just going to put this back in here. Eep! I'm moving everything around. So I'm also watching my baby monitor. My Corey is taking over putting our son to sleep. So this is the one that has been discontinued. Again, I didn't realize until I went to click the link after I had sent it to them. I thought it was pretty. It's cherry blossoms with some rocks. So here is your instructions. I'm just trying to take this paper out. So it's 20 colors. Like I said, it's very pretty. Apparently it's a VIP brand. But you got your cherry blossoms, you got some lotuses, you got some rocks. It's 20 colors. Very pretty. There is a little bit of confetti, as you can tell, like the dark colors. I will just, oh, your 2 needles, which I'm going to take out, to be honest. I don't like having needles in my canvases. Don't think I have a needle minder here, so I'm just going to put it on my desk. This one is not serged, which is fine. That is fine. But it is an 11 count, and it even says use 3 strands to stitch. The size is 40 by 40, and again 20, and the border is kind of nice. I would just freehand this, I won't lie, and I would do it color by color. Start with number 1 and then make my way down, because as you can tell, here's the rocks, which is 939. Is 310 in here? 310 is actually not in here. That's a first. So yeah, then you have all of your different colors. And like I said, it's okay that this is 20 colors, because guess what? It's all pinks and purples. It is all pinks and purples. And of course, you know, the 5154. I'm actually using a few of these colors in my diamond painting. So it's pretty. There should be, you know, enough definition for it. Would it be nicer in more colors? Yes, but I also understand why there's not. So yeah. So that is it for me for tonight. I want to thank VIP Cross Stitch once again for this wonderful PR package. You guys are amazing. Your customer service is amazing. My lovelies, I can't tell you enough. Whenever you email VIP Cross Stitch, they might, because of the time difference, they might not get to you right away, but they will get to you while you're sleeping, is basically what I'm saying. Because I am on EST, so right now it's 8:30. So if I were to email them right now, within 2 to 3 hours, they'd get back to me, because it's between 12 and 14-hour difference, depending on where in China they are, and I'm not 100% sure where. But they are amazing. Again, I have 10, I believe it's 10% off with my code Amanda10. So please, please, when you go there, you will get an additional 10% off over the offers that they already have. So if you buy 5, so it says you buy 4, add another one to your cart, you'll get the cheapest one for free. If you buy 7, you'll get 2 for free. Buy 9, 3 for free, or 2 for free. I can't remember, but the more you buy, the more you save. Again, that's why I did my 17 with them before, because I bought a lot. I hope everybody has a wonderful Tuesday night, a wonderful Wednesday. I will see you all on Thursday for my diamond painting. And yeah, I will see you all then. Have a wonderful night. Thank you.